Hey guys, let me show you, in my opinion, the best custom equalizer preset for a JBL Boombox 4. The JBL Boombox 4 has actually a strong bass driver, so to get actually a rich bass without a muffling and keep the vocals, clear. So we have to get the V-shaped but balanced EQ, and this is how it looks. So for the 125 we should go for the +5 or 4.5. With 250 we should actually go around 3. 500 I will stay with the 0. The 1K I will go for like +1 or 0 plus 0.5. And when you talk about the 4K, then I will go around like 3 or 2.5. And the 8K I will go 4 or above. And this actually result, I mean with this preset we'll get sound result like strong punchy bass with clear kick response. Vocals will remain crisp and forward, and we'll get bright top end for open sound. So that's basically everything. Let me know what you think. When you play the sound, I will recommend you to switch between the JBL Signature or Energetic. In my opinion, this custom preset sound the best for every type of music.